Here I want to illustrate the power of the coincident option when creating a reference plane. In this example, I'm going to select 3 points or 3 vertices in which our reference plane is going to pass through or be coincident to. So to get started, I'm going to go to the Reference Geometry button in the Features tab of the Command Manager and then click on Plane. Immediately I can see in the Property Manager that I have the option to choose 3 references: a first reference, a second reference, and a third reference. Now I can choose 3 references, but it's not required that I do so. The number of references that I choose is going to dictate what sorts of options are available to me for my reference plane. For example, if I want my plane to be perpendicular to a reference or coincident to a reference or parallel to a reference, it's going to be dictated based on which references I choose. Like I've said already, my 3 references for this example will be 3 points, so I'll go and select those. I'll choose this point down here, and I'll also choose this point and this point. By default, when I choose points in the reference plane tool, the default option is coincident. That's the most convenient option for selecting vertexes for a reference plane. Here I can see that the plane to be created is going to pass through these 3 points. And because it's passing through 3 points, by law of being a plane, that makes the plane fully defined. So now I can confirm my reference plane and then sketch on it when I'm ready to sketch on it. Here I will quickly illustrate the power of creating reference planes like these. Once I have the reference plane, I can do a complex extruded boss or extruded cut to create a pretty complex shape.